Hello everyone. So today I'm going to present my new project, that is home automation. So home automation is a simple project that works with the help of ESP8266. That is a microcontroller that can be connected to the Wi-Fi, uh, directly to the Wi-Fi. And by connecting it to Wi-Fi, we can connect it with the application called as different applications are there. One of which I have used now is Blink IoT. So with Blink IoT, I can control the output of the ESP8266. So for home automation project, I have provided the code in such that the power supply for each of the appliances of the home can be powered through just a single tap on the mobile. So in this, since it's a prototype, I have just limited it to some LEDs in the courtyards, which replicates lights in the house, then a fan, an LED strip inside the house to replicate the tube lights, and as well as water pump, which is pumped from water, which we used to pump water from the tanks, wells, into the main tank. So in this, the ESP8266 is now connected to the Wi-Fi, and with this connection, I can control all these appliances through my mobile phone itself. And now I'm going to show how the each of them works. So first of all, we can see that the LED light of the house, it works like this. So when I just click on it, it just gets lighted up. And next is water pump in the houses. So you can now see that when I click on the water pump, the water will get pumped. So, and whenever we want to turn it off, we can just click it and off it. Then this courtyard lights, which can be switched on just by the same process. And then the fan, we can even switch it all of them together. Just with the help of this IoT, and all this works with the help of code which I have coded into the ESP8266. And with this, I would like to conclude. Thank you.